Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cook with Ada here again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my chicken properly before cooking. So if you're new on here, welcome to my channel, and please do go ahead and subscribe if you have not done that already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. And yeah, this video, I know there has been so many debates about washing chicken and not washing chicken, so this video is for people who like to wash their chicken. Please, if you do not like to wash your chicken, that is your problem. Please don't fight in the comment section or tell me not to wash my chicken, because you do what you like and I do what I like. So yeah. Mm. So if you wash your chicken, no offense to those that don't wash their chicken, this is what you do. So first of all, I'm trying to defrost this chicken by pouring hot water on it or in the bowl with the chicken. So I'm just going to show you quickly, when you wash the chicken with just hot water, this is how it looks like. You just wash it and it's fine. But now I will show you the difference between washing it with hot water alone and washing it the way I wash mine. So I'm putting in some lemon, and I'm going to be adding some apple cider vinegar to it. Yeah, this is my apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to be adding that to it, and I am going to be washing that. So you guys will see the amount of whatever that will come out from the chicken and how neat it will become after washing it this way. So yeah, I wash the body. I kind of like scrub it properly with my hands, and yeah, look at that. Like, you can see how you see the difference. Look at all that out from coming out from the chicken. So yep. So if you're not subscribed yet, click that red subscribe button down below. And yeah, just look at all that dirt from that chicken. So look at how clean it's looking right now. So of course, this is why I wash my chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please, like I said, don't fight in the comment section. Everybody has their rights, their opinion to do whatever they like. So yes, do subscribe, do like, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe. Yes, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.